Are you ready to unlock the secret to staying ahead in the digital age? Voice search is transforming the way we interact with technology, and it's time to harness its power. Voice search is not just a trend, it's a revolution. With devices like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, voice search is changing the landscape of SEO. Imagine conducting searches without typing a single word. Voice search offers a more conversational and natural way to access information effortlessly. Did you know that 27% of the world's population uses voice search-powered mobile devices? And in the USA, over 58% of online consumers have used voice search. The rise of voice-enabled devices like smartphones, smart speakers, and wearables is driving this exponential growth. People are now relying on voice assistants for tasks like finding local businesses, making reservations, and getting product information. The shift in user behavior and search intent means businesses must adapt to stay visible in voice search results. Voice queries are more conversational and longer than traditional text searches. For example, "Best pizza near me" becomes "Where can I find the best pizza place nearby?" To optimize for voice search, businesses need to focus on long-tail keywords and natural language queries. Local business listings and directories are crucial for voice search visibility. Ensure your business information is accurate and up to date on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp. Positive reviews can boost your business's reputation and visibility in voice searches. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Featured snippets, or position 0, are vital in voice search results. Voice assistants often read these snippets as answers to user queries. To optimize for featured snippets, provide concise and well-structured answers to frequently asked questions. Create dedicated FAQ pages and use structured data markup to make it easy for voice assistants to extract and present information. When conducting keyword research for voice search, focus on long-tail keywords and conversational phrases. Tools like Answer the Public and SEMrush can help. Structure your content to address specific user questions. Use clear headings and subheadings to organize your content. Implement schema markup to provide additional context and information about your business, improving your visibility in local search results. Optimize your website for speed and mobile responsiveness. Voice search users expect quick and seamless experiences. Verify and optimize your local business listings. Accurate and updated information increases your chances of being recommended by voice assistants. Stay informed about advancements in voice recognition technology and adapt your local SEO strategies accordingly. Embrace the power of voice search and unlock new opportunities for your business's growth and visibility. The future of SEO is here, and it's time to take action.